Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a BMW M8 with cardboard using an easy method. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need sturdy cardboard sheets, a sharp craft knife, and a reliable ruler for precise cuts. It's also helpful to print a detailed BMW M8 template to guide your work. Securely attach this template to your cardboard with a bit of tape, ensuring it won't shift as you begin cutting. Now that your template is ready, it's time to carefully cut out the main body parts of your BMW M8. Use your craft knife with precision, following the lines on your template. Remember to score and gently fold the cardboard along any designated lines to create the car's curves and angles. Once cut, use a strong adhesive, like hot glue or super glue, to firmly join these primary body sections together, forming the basic structure. With the main body assembled, let's add some crucial details. Cut out 4 circular pieces from cardboard for the wheels and attach them securely to the car's base. Next, create smaller, distinct cardboard shapes for the headlights and taillights, carefully gluing them into place. Finally, use markers, paint, or even colored paper to add realistic details, such as grills, windows, and the iconic BMW logo, bringing your model to life. For the final touches, inspect your cardboard BMW M8 for any weak points and reinforce them with extra cardboard strips and glue if needed. To give your model a professional look and added durability, consider applying a clear sealant or a coat of spray paint. Once everything is dry, your impressive, handmade cardboard BMW M8 is complete and ready to be proudly displayed. Enjoy your creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.